How to make this push text animation inside Davinci Resolve. Okay, I'm inside Davinci Resolve in the Edit tab and I'm having a background stock footage, and on top of that I'm having a background with a text over it. So here's how we can power this up by using just one effect in Davinci Resolve, and that is the push effect, which is in the video transitions. You can then grab it and leave it in the beginning of your background, which is right here, just like that. Once you leave it in the beginning, you want to highlight it and go into the inspector, which is on the right side. I'm closing the effects, highlighting the push transition, and I'm opening the inspector. I'm reducing the duration to a value of 0.5 seconds, and I'm leaving the default preset push left, which is going to make it push it from the left side. Also, you can add the borders from here. I'm not gonna do that. Also, you can have a motion blur. We're gonna use that, so we're putting it on the values of 1. And now when we just set up everything on this push transition, we're gonna take down the duration of our text, which is over our background, making it about this long, then highlighting this push effect transition. And while everything is set up, we're gonna press Ctrl+C. Now we're gonna copy it. Then we wanna click in the beginning of our text until we see this green line in the beginning, and then press Ctrl+V to paste it there. We're gonna do the same. We're gonna click in the end until we see the green line and Ctrl+V, and the same at the end of the background. Now you're having this push effect with the same settings pasted on the 4 corners of our background and text effect. Final adjustments on the transition because I want to make it look faster, and this is what you're having. A nice push background with the push text over it. I hope it was helpful. You can also watch this video right here. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.